What's up, guys? It's your boy Spelster here, aka the Jamaican Gamer, and today, guys, I'm bringing you another live vlog. The last vlog that I did, it got over 40 likes, and which means that you guys like my vlogs. But today we are going out. We're going to the beach. We're going to Salt River. That's a nice little beach part of Jamaica. And you guys always said that, yo, Spelster, carry us to some nice parts of Jamaica, man. So I'm going to take you guys to Salt River. We're going to swim a little bit, chill out a little bit, and just hang out and head back home. So yeah, so I'll see you on the road, man. Alright, guys, we're heading out now. Let me introduce you to the gang. This is Chris.
Respect, man.
The girl there where I hide, her name is Rushy. She camera shy, people. She camera shy. I just saw things said. That one up by the front there is Laffy. Alright, so the whole way we go Salt River, you know, go wash off and things and feel nice. So you see you know in a bit. Alright, so we'll make a quick stop at this shopping center here before we hit the road again. Hope you like the view still. Right here, so it's called Super Plus Center. It's a mall here in Jamaica. Right in the heart of the town. Alright, guys, so we finished make the stop. We got Goldman, we go on jewelry store to get some jewelry for the girls them. One wanted a nose ring or something like that. So I get ready for leave out, you know, again.
Road good road, you know? Kill him.
So one more, yeah. Jesus, what? A whole heap of mutton that. One cane. A pure goat. Can't buy goat, man. I done at them place here if you come buy goat. Yeah. Yeah, first time I come down here so still, so you just see it the same time as me, isn't it? First me I come a Salt River to people. You guys know what this is? Yep. Video now. Mad. Mad thing. Yeah, man, for sure showing you the scenery, you know. This is Salt River, Jamaica. Boom! Can't afford for my phone dropping in the water, you know. Yep, water is kind of dirty. I'll fish a bite up my foot to rotted. Good. Alright, see my original go again. I'm seeing me can go up a little bit closer. Just hope I'm gonna drop my phone. Real life Tarzan.
Go up again, Tarzan.
Real life Tarzan too. Yeah, man.
Come angle your phone.
Phone full of password. So tall the rope be. What I don't like to know who climb go so far and tie up the rope up there so. Okay, I don't know. I say, yo, Spellster, go up, you next. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Lord Clay, I go higher. Yo, my friend is like a daredevil, yo. He's going higher. Lord Clay, I can feel the fish them. I play with my foot. Holy shit, I can literally feel the fish them. Whew. Sunfly them start biting me up. Ready again. Yo guys, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Nah, I'm not going to. Alright, just done swimming now. Time to go yard and now. Real life Tarzan. That's clear. Yeah, yeah, so nice.
Next island.
Yeah, heading back home now. Heading home.
Never get a selfie, much less begin to get a bar.